back to my channel. Today's video, we're going to create a no makeup minimalistic makeup look with just 5 products. Start off with primer. I use this hydrating primer from Smashbox. When you are doing a no makeup minimalistic look, you want to make sure that your skin is hydrated because you want that glow from within. If you're using like a matte one or like just a basic one, it's not going to give you that skin-like look. Now, use what works for you, but what works for my normal to dry skin is a hydrating primer because I want my skin to glow, that whatever other product that I put on top, it looks like I'm just wearing skin. Moving on to brows, I'm using the Benefit My Brow. With brows, you want to keep them as natural as possible to your own brows. As you can see, I'm just fluffing it up and just outlining the bottom and just really filling it in so it looks like I actually have some brows on my face. But you don't want to go too crazy. Remember, we are keeping this as natural as possible. Like you're not putting in any effort and you still look amazing. For the face, I'm using a Fashion Fair cream to a powder, and this is the color Chocolate Darling. I have some hyperpigmentation on my face, so that's literally all that I'm using it on. You know, you can use a skin tint. I like Ami Collet skin tint to kind of, you know, add an extra little zhuzh, but we're keeping this as natural as humanly possible, so I like to use like a powder and really focus on my hyperpigmentation marks to kind of conceal that and make sure my face looks flawless. It's just an illusion, babes. So this face stick from Merit Beauty literally is like my favorite thing to use for a minimalistic look. I use the color Sepia, I believe, and I'm just using this to conceal my eyes. It is so creamy and it blends out like a dream. I could literally go on forever about this. And what I love about this shade is that it also is kind of lighter, so it adds a brightening effect, so you don't have to put too much on your face because it looks like you're awake, babes. Okay, so now we need a little bit of color. I love this liquid bronzer slash contour from Milk Makeup. Look at that shade. It is amazing. I love this because it adds just a perfect amount of glow. It is a little bit watery, so you have to really shake it up and just work with it, but it adds just the perfect amount of warmth to the face, and it just looks so good on deep skin. Don't worry, I fixed it, but try this out if you haven't already. into my favorite part of my makeup routine, which is a blush. This is the one I'm using from Merit Beauty. I want to say the color is Fox. Look at this beautiful pink shade. I know, such a slay. You know, you want to add just a little bit of extra color, not too much, but just look a little bit flushed and a little bit bright. And listen, Merit Beauty products, they are so blendable. I love, 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 love this blush, and it just adds just the perfect shine to the face and just glow. I absolutely love this. For my lip combo girlies, I am using Urban Decay's eyeliner, the 24/7 eyeliner pencil in the color Whiskey. It's this beautiful like warm brown to line my lips. You want something that's very natural. And for lipstick, I'm using Minimalistic from Merit Beauty as well. It's the perfect peachy pinky nude shade for dark skin, especially if you line it, and it just looks so natural, especially on my lips because the inside of my lips are kind of pink, so it just works very well. You can stop here and you will still slay, but for my girlies who want a little bit of extra pizzazz, line your eyes with a beautiful color. I'm using Merit Beauty's Viper in their One Pot shade. It just adds just this extra va-va-voom to the eyes. And I'm also adding mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. It is so amazing, and it just makes my face pop even more with very minimal effort. So this is my no makeup minimalistic makeup look with just 5 products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have anything to say about my wigs slipping back, listen, God bless you. I know, but anyways, I love you guys so much, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.